Hi, howdy. What's up? Today I'm going to do oil change on my car at the Toyota Sienna 2010. So before oil change, I want to show you guys some very important safety item. See, it's right here. So I always put a stand right here. So just for in case, safety is always priority. And also, I put chalks under the right here. And the other side, the same thing. And also the engine oil pan bolt is 14 millimeters. I really recommend using Costco Coconut engine oil. It's good enough for Toyota.